friends, I'm Manny. Today I went to a big ball game with my big brother. It was at a ginormous stadium. There were so many people. And do you know what goes together with a big ball game? Big food! We got to sit really close to the field, and I could see all the players. At the end, the ball came right towards me, and I caught it. And do you know what goes together with the ball? A bat! I can't wait to hit this ball high into the sky with my bat. And the coolest thing we did at the game was wave these huge foam fingers in the air and cheer. Cheering goes with baseball too. Go team go! Go team go! Go team go!
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie.
Hello, Manny. Hoo! Hoo! Cheering at a ball game, were you?
Hi, Ollie. It was so cool. Everyone was cheering together.
A cheering crowd is fun. It's true. I know another crowd that was cheering too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo! Hoo!
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip. Oh, hi friends. I'm Justin the mailman. I was just practicing my cheer. After I deliver this mail, I'm going to a baseball game, and I want to be ready to cheer for the team. Go team! All this cheering reminds me of a story. Do you want to hear it? Great. Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. Today's true story from the Bible is the story of Palm Sunday. It begins in the city of Jerusalem. All of the people were walking around town. Then someone said, "Jesus is coming!" The people were so surprised and so excited. They had heard that Jesus was a good friend and had done amazing things. He made a storm stop just by saying, "Stop." They had heard that Jesus made sick people better and that he could feed a whole group of people with only a little bit of food. Wow, Jesus really can do amazing things. He is a very special friend, and if Jesus was coming, then they needed to do something special to celebrate him. So, some of the people got palm branches, and some of them took off their coats and laid them down to make a special path for Jesus. And then they saw him. He was here. They waved their palm branches. Let's wave our hands like palm branches. Great job. And then the people shouted, "Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay, Jesus!" Can you say that? Try it. Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay, Jesus! Let's say it again. Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay, Jesus! The people were celebrating Jesus because they knew he was special. Everyone was so excited for Jesus to be there. Moms, dads, grandparents, teachers, and children. They were celebrating Jesus. Let's cheer for him too. One more time, wave your branches and say, "Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay, Jesus! Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay, Jesus!" Jesus is such a special friend, and Jesus wants to be your friend forever. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who wants to be your friend forever?
Jesus wants to be my friend forever. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who wants to be your friend forever?
Jesus wants to be my friend forever. That's the truth, friends. Happy Palm Sunday.
So there's your story, and it's all true. The people cheered for Jesus, and we can cheer for him too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, all the people waved palm branches and cheered for Jesus. They had heard he was a good friend and did amazing things. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got
Good. Cheering and baseball go together. But the best things that go together are my friend Jesus and me. Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay, Jesus! Hosanna! Hosanna! Yay,
I am with you always. Matthew 28:20. I am with you always. Matthew 28:20.